Coming to the morning, I was bullish as yesterday in the Asian session we took the hourly high on NQ and also ES took it as well. And from there into the London session, we continued to grind higher and we are up, of course, at all-time highs after taking those the hourly highs. And we had news coming out. We already had news that came out that morning, CPI, and that ended up being bullish. And yeah, I just marked in the 15-minute lows, but to be honest, I wouldn't be taking a trade down there, or I wouldn't be taking a trade short to go down there, as yeah, we're at all-time highs, so bullish for the day anyway. Coming into the morning, for I first looked to take a position off of 50% of the CPI news candle, but didn't end up taking that trade as I wanted to see the lows get swept and for price to continue higher from there. But that didn't end up happening anyway, as 50% of the range held and price continued higher from there, taking the highs of the news candle. And we also had structure to the upside from there, and I was potentially looking to take a trade off of that push up, that small push up, but didn't end up taking it anyway because the stop loss would have been 13.5 points, and I would have moved my stop loss to break even at the 1 to 1 or at the high when it's taken, and I would have got stopped out for break even anyway at the open. So didn't end up taking that anyway, and that would have had no consequences anyway. But price continued down from there, taking out the lows of the CPI news candle, and we just kind of grinded around there for the rest of the day, kind of in a range, a strong range for the 1 minute, but faking on ES. ES was the far weaker asset as that plummeted down to the new day opening gap and running straight through that and continuing down to the highs of the new week opening gap. But on the day, I took no trade, so end of the day anyway, at still the same as yesterday, 49,976.54 is the balance of the account, and still $600 away from my max loss limit.